Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to sort or resort your ingredients. Let's say these right here, ingredients, which are inside your modifiers. Say you want these to be in a different order. You want to sort them differently. So for that, we need to go to the admin portal. And just a reminder that the admin portal is hrpos.heartland.us. Once you sign in, you go to the menu here at the top left and go to account menu. And then for this, we're going to go to modifiers. And then we're going to go to the modifier we were looking at, which is what two sides would you like. And then we're going to scroll down just past the colors, button colors. Now here's where the ingredients are that show up on the screen. Now you can grab just a single ingredient by grabbing these little 6 dot icons here, and you can move those around. Or you can do alphabetical order by clicking this arrow here. There's reverse alphabetical order and then just regular alphabetical order. We'll just do alphabetical order for this one and click save. Here you get your save successful down here at the bottom. And make sure to publish changes and confirm. And make sure you get your confirmation here as well. Alright, now let's take a look and see the difference on the workstation. Alright, now let's log back into the point of sale here. Ticket, entrees, and there we go. Now it's in alphabetical order. But that's all there was to it. Hope this video helped you. That's all I have for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.